everybody, it's Mayor Joe Conrad. I'm here at Lions Park at the new Benson Splash Pad, and I'm here with the news that everybody's been waiting for. The Benson Splash Pad is open. Grab your towels, grab your sunscreen, get on down here with the kiddos, have some fun here in our splash pad. I know it's been a while, you've been waiting for it, but today's the day. The splash pad is open. Come on down and enjoy it. And make sure to be down here on the 4th of July for our grand opening where we'll really celebrate this thing. Now I'm going to get out from under this tank before they turn the water on, but come on down, have some fun. The Benson Splash Pad is open for business. Thanks everybody.